Distance learning replacing traditional classes. Most people would probably agree that this year is a real challenge for everyone's nervous system, the ability to stay calm and focused, and the level of stress resistance. A significant number of persons had to change their lifestyles because of COVID-19, which has also affected students. Due to the virus's danger, teenagers had to forget their way to their schools and colleges and spend much more time at the computer. Lessons began to be conducted in a completely unusual format, which now raises many questions and doubts before the start of the new academic year. While many people believe that future lessons will remain online, several compelling arguments are supporting the fact that distance learning can never replace traditional classes. 3 significant points prove that sooner or later, schools and colleges will return to the usual way of teaching. First of all, it is crucial to keep in mind that online learning is a fundamentally elite concept. To e-learn effectively for an extended period, a student needs to have all necessary and high-quality equipment, which is rather expensive and cannot be afforded by more than half of parents. Second of all, some classes require students to participate in spontaneous debates and discussions or ask questions to get certain confidence, which cannot be replaced by typing in anonymous comments. Finally, e-learning is not valid for fields and disciplines that students need to practice at and specialize in. For example, online classes take away valuable resources like studios and lab facilities, which are vital for some disciplines and may not be recreated at home. Despite these strong arguments, it is possible to understand those people who are sure that distance classes can and will replace traditional education. According to them, online learning has transformed the education world, with platforms like Coursera enabling those living in remote parts of the world to access university courses. Indeed, this is true, but this is only available for those students who have a comfortable environment and quality equipment at home, which, as mentioned above, does not happen often. Therefore, it is more likely that distance education will never be able to replace the traditional one.